No, I didn't hear the beep. Anyways, what's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris and this is Product Reviews. We got another episode of Oops, I Hurt Myself last week. It didn't turn out to be as bad as what I thought it was, but there was a lot of BLOOD. So I was kind of concerned. Stopped the video, got it checked out by myself and my wonderful medical skills, because yeah, I don't know crap about any of that, but I got it stopped. Everything was good. But at that point, after busting that open, I didn't really feel like continuing on. So that being said, we're back here today and we're going to continue with our makeshift birdhouse build that we were doing with the jigsaw before, but being it's corded, I went ahead and broke back out the skill saw so that there is this God, I'm really stumbling over words today. So that there is no cords being drug out or anything else, because I was just being lazy. Also, I brought up the drill as well, and we're going to replace that bit so that we can pre-drill our holes, so that hopefully there's no more slipping and busting our finger wide open or our thumb wide open. So that's this, and we're going to continue doing that, and we're going to get everything set up and going. So I'm going to try to put y'all to where you can see what I'm doing, and we're going to go from there. And as always, these videos are not edited, so that you can see exactly what my dumb self does. Don't need that right now, so we're going to set it up there. We'll need that in a minute, so we can move it right there. This is our main concern right this second. It's going to be one stout birdhouse. God, it is hot out here too. I don't know where y'all are at in the world, but it is pretty hot here. Dang, that joker is tight. That is very tight. Set this in reverse, so I should be able to. Well, we're already off to a great start, because our head here on our drill don't want to release. So I'm going to have to get Stone Age on it. Where there they are. These are Craftsman too, in case you're fooled by the color. I got them off Amazon. Try it the other way. Let's see what happens. There we go. I was doing it wrong. Go figure. Okay. I already sweat my behind off. Jesus. This is a great spot to record anyway too, because it's directly in the sunlight. So what we're gonna do is trying to find us a bit that roughly matches up to the size of this, but isn't too big. I think we're going to go with that one. So we're going to use that so this has a path to follow. Set that down. Should make our lives a little bit simpler. And we shouldn't be walking all over the place. With our screws. Because we don't want our birdies getting poked in the head with screws whenever we're in here. That wouldn't be very nice. I'm going to put this one in real quick and I'm going to show you all my perfectly straight holes. Okay. So, you can see there's already a screw there. These are where I missed and messed up and was angling all funny. That's my first pilot hole, second pilot hole, third pilot hole went ahead and put a screw in, fourth pilot hole, and fifth pilot hole. I'm gonna go ahead and put screws in all those, and then we're gonna flip it over and do the same thing again. I need a sweatband. All the sweat running down on my face, getting on my glasses. It is no fun. Does anybody have any suggestions on what color we should paint these? I'm thinking like a light blue. Light blue sounds good to me. I don't know about y'all. Boy, just a little bit extra preparation pays off a lot better. Here's the other side. Here's our top with a snaggle tooth. Sounds like someone's bush hogging off in the distance. If you don't know what bush hogging is, that's a very big mower on the back of a tractor. If you do know what bush hogging is, awesome. You must have grew up in the country or the farmland. Okay. Before I go any further, I'm gonna put one in out a little bit, and I'm gonna use that as my pivot. Try to line this up as best as possible with my non-straight cuts and everything else. I'll just look at that and pull it back just enough. I need to go that way a little bit. come back just a hair. We'll go right there. Now we're gonna put one in that one, in that corner, and then nothing should move. Once again, to those of you who are probably going to comment and say that you're doing it wrong, I'm aware. I am not a contractor. I am not a builder. I'm not even a wood guy. I'm just doing the best I can with what I got. And hopefully that's okay with y'all. If not, I'm just having fun either way. Sweating my butt off. Man, those DeWalt bits are sharp. They go through this wood like it ain't nothing. I wish the screws would have done that in the last video. I probably already had this thing built. I didn't even look at how much battery juice I got. The only thing I know is I'll charge up all the batteries except for the one on this. So I should be good as far as that goes. I forgot a crucial step. That's okay. It won't matter. Kinda wish I would have done it, but it'll still work either way. I'm trying to remember where in the world I put my auger bits. So I can pop some holes in this thing. Go ahead and make the doorway or whatever you want to call it. Alright. Got our basic block here. Now, trying to decide if I should go in this side and do 2 holes, or if I should go in this side and do 2 holes. I think this side, just because once I make the holes, it won't be as hard to drill into any surface I need to, and as well, there's a flat piece here, whereas there's edge and edge here. You got your seam, and yeah, the paint might seal that, but I feel like if I slap one of those old shingles up here, maybe leave it a little bit overhang around it, it will keep it from leaking as much. Now, we still gotta put sides on it. We haven't done that yet. But I kind of want to see what it looks like with the holes in it, so that I can see which direction to go from there, if that makes sense as well. Give me just a second. I think my auger bit through my shed. One of my sheds. D shed. That's better. Okay, I think they're in the house where I keep some other tools. So I think what we're gonna do now, since those are in there, and I don't want to leave y'all alone for too long, you might get bored and lonely, and we can't have y'all getting lonely. I might go ahead and cut me some side pieces here. So let's see. Side pieces. Got a good rough idea here of where I'm going. About there-ish. Kind of cut about where my thumb's up. And hopefully not cut it off, because that wouldn't be very good. I would rather be a little long than a little short. But we're going to see what we got. Pretty sure I charged this battery all the way up. What the hell? A little long. A little long. I'm gonna leave it there though. I'm gonna leave it there. And back up. That's about right. Alright. Let's go ahead and pre-drill our holes. Or pre-drill one to start with. So we can sink our screw and go from there. Sunk that all the way down. Don't know if I should have, but it looks like where I wanted it, so we're gonna go with it. Ow! That was dumb. Did y'all know drill bits get hot? I just found that out. I mean, I knew that before, but my dumb self wasn't thinking about it. Okay. Bit of a gap there. It's okay. It's birdhouse. I want to try to cut this other piece to the same length. So put that there to hold it. Slide that down. Spin y'all around, make sure you can see what I'm doing. As I drip sweat all over my glasses. Gonna have to clean them when I go back in. Now where is my line I made? I think that might be it. I ain't sure. I hope it is, because we're going for it. Watch this piece be too short. It's shorter, but roughly about the same length. Kind of looks like it wants to rain again. These hot days sure enough do bring rain though. Alright, let's drill a hole. Line that back up as best as possible. I do not like humidity. Humidity makes me sweat like crazy. I'm honestly better with the dry heat. Okay, it is secured in place. So now I can do the rest of my holes. Four is probably overkill for this, but or 8, excuse me, I can't count. 4 side, but we're doing it anyway. Some buzzy flying wing thing just went by my head. That was not cool. Hopefully it stays away. It almost sounds like my screws are running into the other screws. Did I drill one there? I thought I did drill one there. Well, let's go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, one, not complete, not straight cut, very heavy birdhouse. Let's grab us a piece of shingle, see how it's going to look. These are some of the old shingles off the house, so that's why they're all tore up and everything, because we had to replace some. It'll come down some, trim it to fit and overlap it. think that'd be the best thing for it. But I think I need to wait till next time after I paint it and everything, and maybe build another one, because this is all the wood I have left, plus that piece. But I don't know if that'd make a very good birdhouse. So this is where we're gonna cut this one off for today. Here's some of the products I use. It's a Craftsman, not the smallest, but the smaller hammer drill. I think this is also a hammer drill too, but it's in the more drill format. Yellowwood fasteners, outdoor fasteners, DeWalt bits, Craftsman V20 circular saw, and of course the wood, which I believe is Yellowwood. It is not pressure treated. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching the videos. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting, telling a friend, sharing this video with your mama, and telling her how awesome Products Reviews is, because we show the tools we have, we make our bloopers, we don't take nothing out, everything is as you see it. And sometimes that makes for a great video, other times not so much, which, okay, sue me, I understand. But this is as authentic as it can be without cutting and chopping and everything. And then you're like, well, you said the mower could do this, and then you jump to that. Or you said this tool could do this, and you jump to that. Or you said this and went to that. Or you fast forward the video, or you did whatever. I don't want to cut and edit and everything with a review channel that's reviewing things that you might go spend your money on. I would rather you spend your money on something that you could see work, and at least see kind of how good it might do in different scenarios you might use it for. That way it gives you a better idea before you go spend your money on something, and then you don't end up liking it. Everything I have so far I like. Not really any complaints. There's something buzzing around me right now. It's got my hair standing up on my body right now. Kind of scared. I don't like buzzy flying things. I'm hoping I don't get stung. But anyways, before my heart just sunk, I don't want you to waste your money. I hope you like the different tools I have, because I do. And maybe this will help you make a better decision before you go and spend your money, and then you feel like you wasted it. I'm not on here to promote anybody's products. I'm just promoting the products that I have now, because I like the products I have now. And also, if I were to buy something and it sucks, I'm going to tell you it sucks. I'm going to tell you everything about it. It sucks. And if they want to come after me for that, so be it. But a crappy product ain't worth a damn. It shouldn't be on the market anyway. It would be a lot better to have good stuff that you don't have to worry about. Or, you know, it has a good warranty backing up behind it, or whatever. And sure, I miss stuff and everything else, but, you know, I ain't perfect either. Just like my birdhouse here. That's got this huge gap because I didn't cut the wood right down here. No company's perfect, but at least most of them that I've used so far, I would say all of them that I've used so far, because I don't have that many tools. I have a lot of tools, but I don't have that many, have stood behind their product. If something happened with one of my tools, it got replaced. Just like the Ego chainsaw. The only thing that they did differently that I would not have done is they tried to get me to somewhere to where I could have it fixed instead of them replacing it. But at least they did their best to make sure that I had a working saw again, and which I do. They warranty all their products for 3 years battery, 2 years, no, 5 years for the tool, 3 years for the battery, and I think 3 years for the charger, if I remember right. But they're a good company, and if you reach out to them and you tell them this is what happened, they're reaching back out to you pretty quickly to try to resolve it. Craftsman, I haven't had any trouble with their products yet, but Craftsman's been around a long time. Ego's pretty new. So anyways, with my rambling on and everything else, let me get back to what I was even saying, what I was saying. I want to bring off authentic tools. Not saying that you don't have to go buy a Milwaukee or DeWalt. If that's what you like, that's what you like. And I'm not saying I won't buy them, but you can get a Craftsman that might not be the highest performing in the world, but it's still a pretty damn good tool, and it will get the job done for you. So once again, thank y'all so much for watching these videos. Thank y'all so much for tuning in every week, checking out all the stuff that I do in my crazy life. And I got a bunch of words in my head because I think too much about things. But anyways, I appreciate it. I thank y'all for watching. I thank y'all for being here every week, watch these videos, helping me out, helping my YouTube out, helping me grow. And know what else to say, but we will see y'all next time. Peace out.